Well, Keith, let's not belabor the point. Gray and gloomy is going to be that way.
Yeah, it's not great. And I, sometimes this is my job, so I think about it more than most people. And I think, well, do most people not care? But every person I've encountered recently, it seems that they do.
I think they're looking for the mood booster post-winter, right?
Yeah, it's the time. Well, we talked about this. I don't like November and May. November proved me wrong this year. May? I had a point with May. A lot of clouds out there. Again, visible satellite is mostly cloudy or almost entirely cloudy across the state right now. And we're going to see a few breaks right around sunset, but I don't think we'll do a whole lot better than that. As far as the rain goes, there's a lot less rain than there was yesterday. So just a couple of sprinkles out there. Mostly will be dry tonight and mostly will be dry tomorrow as well. It's really not until Thursday afternoon, Thursday night that we'll see significant rain moving in, but it won't really improve in the meantime with a lot of clouds tonight, temperatures in the 40s, a couple of 30s into the mountains. Tomorrow we're back to the cloud cover and onshore flow, and so I put an isolated drizzle possibility in over the southern coast just because of the wind direction here. I think we could see a little bit of drizzle. The rest of us will stay dry, but again, it will be cloudy and raw. Temperatures around 50 degrees, probably not a whole lot higher than that. Cloudy again tomorrow night, and then our next system moves in, as I mentioned, Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. Now, over southern and western Maine, this is a player during the day on Thursday. But for a lot of us, we're talking about Thursday night that the rain really arrives. It comes in from southwest and northeast. You can see this is 6 o'clock just across the southern part of the state, and then it takes the whole night to get over central and northern Maine. But there's some periods of heavy downpours, some wet snow likely at the high terrain here as temperatures are in the 30s. And that continues on Friday, temperatures in the 40s along the coastline, onshore flow, periods of rain, and some wind. So it's just not a nice day on Friday. That's that nor'easter basically moving through, and then it sits around, although it is weaker, it's still around on Saturday. So I think Saturday is more the same. Clouds and showers and cool on Saturday. But eventually that low moves away just enough and we improve on Sunday. I don't want to oversell it. There'll be some periods of sun, but also still some showers. The low moves farther away, and our best day of the long weekend will be Memorial Day itself, but you can see still a non-zero chance of a shower there, but it is improving and it is a little bit warmer too. As far as rainfall amounts go, about an inch across much of the state, up to 2 inches down from Portsmouth on south, and really into parts of York County they could see up to 2 inches of rain there too. But again, most of that happens Thursday night through the first half of Friday. Then after that, it's just shower activity that will pick up a little bit more through Friday into Saturday. So how Memorial Day weekend plays out is essentially it improves each day. And so Saturday plays a lot like this week did, where it is cloudy and there's showers around and temperatures are stuck in the low to mid 50s. Drier with some sun on Sunday, but again, I don't want to oversell how Sunday looks. I think there will still be a good deal of cloud cover around, and there'll still be some scattered showers around there too, especially in the afternoon between 55 and 60. And then our best day is Memorial Day itself. Now, hopefully, we can remove this shower chance from the forecast. But as it stands, I think there's just enough of a chance still to leave it in there. Temperatures, though, should be warmer, between 64 and 68. Maybe we could get lucky and get to around 70, depending on your exact location. So that's kind of where we're living at here. I will tell you that things improve in the long range. In the long range, like, yeah, and honestly, next week could turn out pretty decent as well. If a storm misses us on Tuesday, then we could have some nice weather Tuesday through Thursday of next week. So that'll just be something we have to keep an eye on as we get a little bit closer. But in the meantime, we're stuck in the clouds. Not a lot of rain tomorrow, but it's still just not going to be much sun. And I don't think we're going to be talking about sun that you're going to care about until maybe Sunday afternoon into Monday, which unfortunately is a while from now.
It is. It is. And you know what? As you mentioned earlier this week, we're okay with dry for the most part. It's that back end, the Thursday, Friday, and then obviously into the holiday weekend that's a little bit disappointing.
Yes, it is. But like I said, hopefully we can get some good improvement late in the weekend into Memorial Day.
All right. Keith, thanks so much.